Hey, I still remember the first week I used this machine and didn't feel like I was waiting for anything anymore. The Alienware 16 Aurora isn't for people who treat their laptop like a part-time tool, it's for the person who lives between performance, pressure, and play without ever wanting to slow down. Before anything else, take a moment to check the current price and stock. Laptops with this level of power paired with a clean, high-refresh display rarely stick around at good value for long. You knew the time had come to upgrade when your old system stopped feeling capable and started feeling restrictive. It didn't crash dramatically, it just stopped being effortless. Load times crept in. Graphics sputtered where they shouldn't. You found yourself closing tasks you wanted open, shortening sessions you planned to extend, and mentally counting performance cost every time you shifted from one heavy task to another. That isn't just inconvenience, it changes the way you think about your work and your play. From the moment I started using this Alienware, something clicked. It isn't just that it performs, it's that it performs smoothly, without buildup, without hesitation. Applications open quickly, tasks load instantly, and that high refresh display doesn't just look good, it feels alive. When you scroll, when you game, when you switch between windows, there's no lag, no hesitation, no buffering your ambition. It just flows. Imagine your day. You start with design work or video editing that demands real GPU strength. Later you switch to heavy multitasking, dozens of tabs, creative tools, communication apps, and the system stays composed. Then you dive into gaming at night, and everything feels crisp, detailed, and responsive like it's meant to be. That kind of versatility doesn't just save time, it preserves your focus, your momentum, your mood. And here's something most people don't expect. Once you feel what performance feels like when it's consistent, you don't want to go back to compromises. You stop thinking about specs and start just doing. You open what you want, run what you need, and the machine simply keeps up without demand. Don't fall into the "I'll wait for a sale or a better moment" mindset. Availability shifts, prices rise, and suddenly the perfect machine for your workflow isn't there when you need it. You'll look back and wish you'd acted when you had the chance. If you're wondering whether this is more laptop than you need, let me reframe that. This isn't about overkill. It's about stretching your capabilities instead of limiting them. Having headroom feels different because you never feel boxed in by your own gear. You feel in control of every task, your precision feels sharper in creative work, gaming feels fluid, not strained, your sessions run longer without interruption, your setup finally feels like a partner, not a hurdle. It's not the lightest laptop to carry every day, it isn't priced for minimalism or entry-level use. Eventually you stop looping through weaker alternatives and realize what fits. Everything less powerful feels like a downgrade because you already know what it's like to move without hesitation. So go check the current price and availability now. Don't let this be the upgrade you push off and later regret. When your tools stop slowing you down, your entire routine feels like it's moving forward instead of in place.